Every aspirations begin with the vision, but the true success is achieved through right mentorship, direction, and opportunities. At IMA, we empower students to transform admissions into achievements through world-class language training, education system, professional guidance, and international education support. From mastering global languages to securing their seats in international universities, visa assistance to career development. We at IMA are there for your support. IMA is a gateway to enlighten your future.
At IMA, every student receives a personalized guidance, strategic trainings, and personalized roadmap within a growth-oriented environment. Our experienced mentors and counselors focus on the individual strength, aspiration, and goals to create a learning journey that inspire excellence, confidence, and long-term success.
IMA offers professionally designed programs, strengthen communication skills, academic performance, confidence, and overall personality development. Our specialized programs include IELTS and PTE training, advanced English speaking courses, personality development and public speaking, interview and corporate communication training, trainings for languages such as French, German, Japanese, Spanish, as our name suggests, International Multilingual Academy. You have an option of flexible offline and online classes as per your convenience.
Every student is having a dream but don't know where to start, where to begin. As a parent, and one question always in the mind, my child is choosing a right path. That's where IMA becomes more than an institute. At IMA, counseling is not about giving a random opinions. We sit with every student and understand their strength, goals, and even their fears. Because every student is different and their future should be planned that way too. Whether it's choosing the right course, best university, application preparation, visa procedure, we guide our student step by step, just like a family. And for parents, we believe trust matters the most. That's why we maintain complete transparency throughout the journey so that the parents feels confident and student feel supported. At the end of the day, our goal is very simple. Not just helping students study abroad, but helping them build a future in which they can truly be proud of. IMA, where guidance feels personal and dream feels possible.
IMA ने जो गाइडेंस प्रोवाइड करी है हमारे चाइल्ड के लिए वो बहुत अच्छा। हमारे चाइल्ड के लिए स्टेप बाय स्टेप जो उनको सिखाया गया है बच्चे उस हिसाब से बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं और कर चुके हैं।
At IMA, we provide perfect guidance, access to right opportunities, guidance and support system. Our vision expands beyond education. We aim to shape confident individuals, successful professionals, and global leaders. If you aspire for global studies, master international languages, improve communication skills, prepare for language examinations such as IELTS, PTE, CELPIP, TEF, TCF, DELE, DELF, and many others, we are here to help you out in it. As I always say, you don't need to be perfect, but be prepared. And here at IMA, we prepare you for that.
Join thousands of successful students who trusted IMA for their future. Visit IMA today and take the first step towards your dream career.
एवरीवन, माय नेम इज़ देवांश। मैं भाई हरियाणा से बिलोंग करता हूँ और मैंने अपना भाई फाइल का प्रोसेस सारा IMA से कराया था भाई फरीदाबाद। गौरव जी हैं, उन्होंने मेरा सारा थ्रू आउट प्रोसेस किया था और सब इजीली हो गया था मेरा। ऐसा कोई मेरे को पानीपत से ऐसे फरीदाबाद जाने की ज़रूरत भी नहीं पड़ी थी और फाइनली वही मैं हूँ अब यूरोप माल्टा में। ये है हमारा कॉलेज। सो थैंक यू फॉर द प्रोसेस गौरव जी।
Hello everyone. I recently completed an English speaking course. It was a great experience. Before this, I lacked confidence while speaking in English, but now I feel much more confident. The course was very practical with real life daily speaking practice, more vocabulary and real life conversation. Overall, my experience was really good and I definitely recommend anyone to join this course.
My name is Aniket and I'm from Haryana and I came here to improve my English skills. And before coming here, I was like very less confident and I always think before talking, so it's kind of ruined everyone's moods. But after coming here, I can say that I have really improved my English skills, and I am more confident than ever, and I think I will be better in few more years. The teachers and the staffs are very cooperative, and the learning style of our teachers was very interesting. It was not boring. If somebody asked me for a institute, I will recommend this institute.
Hi everyone, my name is Guransh and I recently completed my English speaking course at IMA. When I joined this, my English was not very good. But during these 3 months, I learned many things like vocabulary, sentence formation, and the main thing like confidence. Overall, my experience was very good and I would like to highly recommend to anyone who want to improve their English. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Suhani Salhotra and I'm here to learn French. My experience in IMA has been really good and useful, and I'm happy to share that I have scored 83.5 in my DELF A1 exam. The teacher explained everything clearly and it helped me to improve my skills. Overall, it has been a positive and motivating experience for me.
Greetings everyone. Today I feel happy to share few words about my English Institute IMA. This institute not only helped me to improve my English but also helped me to build my personality. The teachers are very supportive, helpful and always ready to take doubts and help me improve my English, and they also organize a lot of fun activities like blogging, group discussions and debate competitions that also enhance our child overall performance. Thank you Rachita ma'am for your guidance in improving my English.